Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Shubham Temre. In today's session, we will see Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management Common Configuration Part 4 Geography. So once we are ready with implementation project, we have to complete an activity called as Geography or loading the geography information. In every instance, we can find the geography detail within an instance. Okay, meaning of geography. So, a geography is a boundary such as a country, state, province, or city. It is a physical space with boundaries that is defined instance of a geography type. In other words, we can say geography is a physical space on Earth, such as a location or region that defined by a boundary. For example, it may be existing geopolitical location such as St. John's or Peru. Geographical locations are used in application to manage business requirements such as sales territories, transportation deliveries, taxation logistics, and so on. Components of geographies. In geography, we have three components of geography. All the components are dependent on each other when defining a country. Geography structure, geography hierarchy, and geography validation. Every country has to have the geography structure defined first before the hierarchy can be defined, and the geography hierarchy has to be defined before the validation can be defined. Okay, next, geography structure. First you need to create a geography structure for each country to define which geography type are part of the country structure, and second is how the geography type are hierarchical related within the country structure. For example, you can create geography type called state, city, postal code. Then you rank the state geography type as the highest level within the country, city is the second level, and the postal code as the lowest level within the country structure. In at the Fusion Oracle Fusion instance, uh, geography structure can be defined using manage geographies task. Next is geography hierarchy. Once the geography structure is defined, the geographies for each geography type can be added to the hierarchy. For example, in the hierarchy of United States, you can create geography called Texas using a state geography type. As part of managing geography hierarchy, you can view, create, edit, and delete geography for each geography types. For each geography types, uh, in country structure, geography hierarchy is a data model that create conceptual parent-child relationship between geographies. The application uses geography hierarchy information to facilitate business process that rely on geography information. The geography hierarchy information is centrally located and shared among other application and offering. Okay, next is geography validation. After defining the geography hierarchy, you need to specify the geography validation for the country. So first one is geography validation determines the geography mapping and validation for each country address style, as well as overall geography validation control for a country. The no style format address style format is the default address style format for a country. By defining the mapping and validation for this format, you will ensure that the validation can be performed for any address in the country. Now let's go to the instance and sign in as Tata user. By the way, geography is already maintained in the system. We just look at the different option available in the geography and show how will it manage. Go to setting and action. Click on setup and maintenance. Click on task list. Manage implementation project. Click on Tata Consulting. In task list, search here, manage geographies. On search, manage geographies. Click any one of that. Manage geographies. We are going with financial. Manage geographies. Click on go to task icon. Okay. Here we have country name, country code. M- In at the instance, in at the manage geography instance, we have multiple country related information. Let's say US. Country code is US. Click on search. So all the US related information are comes over here. Country name is United States. Country code is US. We have multiple attributes like geocoding defined, address cleansing defined, structure defined, the first component of geography, hierarchy defined, second component of geography, validation defined, third component of geography. So first, geocoding defined. So what is geocoding? Geocoding is nothing but geocoding is the process of converting address like street address into geographic coordinates like latitude and longitude. In this, we have to enable the geocoding like that, like this. In a fresh instance like this, you have to click on that. It is enabled that. After defining the geocoding, we will go to the second option, that is address cleansing defined. Yeah, what is address cleansing? So now what is address cleansing? Address cleansing is the collective process of standardizing, correcting, then validating of postal address. Okay, so these are first two steps of in our geographies, and this now the structure define the first component of geographies. We have to just click on it is already completed. We have to just click on it structure. The first it is the structure defined is the first component of our geography. So the structure is already defined, by the way. We are checking the how the structure is made. Okay, so here it shows all the information about United States structure at level 1. In at the country United States, at level 1 we have geography type as state. In level 2 we have geography type as county. At level 3 we have geography type as city. At level 4 we have geography type as postal code. If we want to add any other geography type at level 5, then for that we have to click on add geography type. We have multiple options in geography types like area, district, locality, municipality, pin code, town, region, and many more. Let's select zip and add. Zip is added at 5th level. Okay, but this is not defined. Okay, okay, let's cancel it. The structure is defined in this manner only. State, United States structure is defined in this manner only. State, county, city, and postal code. We are not defining any geography type over here because the all geography information is already defined in our instance. Okay, so now after defining the structure, we click on cancel. The second component of our geography is hierarchy defined. Click on it. Okay, so here we will see the hierarchy form of United States, country, then state, then county, then city, and at last there is postal code. Okay, here in United States, type is country, AK is type is state. This is nothing but type of structure. United States is type of country structure. AK is type of state structure, then the county, then city, then the last one is a postal code. In US county, AK is state is defined. In AK, in state AK, county is defined. In county we have city is defined, and city we have postal code is defined. Here it is shows all data are related or related information is in form of hierarchical manner. Okay, so this is the process of hierarchy. Okay. If you want to create state at this level in United States, you just click on it and click on create icon. And you have to fill all the related information, your state related information, the time zone over here. Okay. Okay. And now this is the form of hierarchy, form of geography, United States. First is country, state, county, city, and then the last is postal code. This is for present form of hierarchical manner. Click on cancel. And the last component of geography is geography validation. Just click on it. So first here we have address style format. Okay, no style. First one is the no style format. Is the default style format for the country. Okay, in mapping and validation, this is no style format is default one, and the other one is United States postal address format at United States tax address format. Here is geography mapping and validation. Okay, so map geography type it map to attribute, like state is mapped with state, county is mapped with county, city is mapped with city, postal code is mapped with postal code. Okay, map to all the attribute states. Okay, attribute county, attribute cities, a map to attribute related information. Next is enable list of values. Make sure that the checkbox is enabled. This checkbox is related for location purpose. So it's for enable list of values. This is all related for location point of views. Next is the tax validation. If you are going with the tax related configuration, then enable tax validation checkbox. So at any level tax related configuration, system will have a validation. So these values are used for tax configuration and tax calculation purpose. And this one, all this checkbox is for geography validation purpose. Okay, and we are not loading anything. Just click on cancel. So this is all about the geography related information. Just wait a minute. Click on search. Wait a minute. Yes, or geocoding defined, address cleansing is defined, the structure is defined, yeah, hierarchy is defined, and the validation is defined. All the attributes are already defined by in the system. So after clicking on search, we are seeing all the countries which are defined in the system are showing here, like Afghanistan, like all the countries are showing over here. Okay, this is all about the geographies related task. Okay, thanks for watching the video.